Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom chemistry. In this video, we will discuss and calculate most important and exam oriented MCQs from the fundamental of chemistry. The first question, which of the following group comprise of element? Option A, mercury, water, ammonia. Option B, iodine, tin and iron. Option C, copper, aluminium, methane. Option D, coal, smoke and fog. And the correct option is option B, because here we can see iodine is an element, tin is an element and iron is also an element. And if we see option A, in option A mercury is an element, water is a molecule, ammonia is also a molecule. Similarly, if we see option C, the copper is an element, aluminium is an element and methane is a compound or molecule. And option D, coal is a hydrocarbon, smoke is a black carbon and fog is the tiny droplet of water, also a molecule. So in the first MCQs, the option B is correct. Next question, which one of the following can be broken down into simpler substance? The option A is ammonia, the option B is oxygen, the option C is sulfur and the option D is iron. So here we can see that option A is correct, because only the ammonia is the molecule which can broken down into their constituent, that is hydrogen and nitrogen, but oxygen, sulfur and iron cannot broken further. So the option A is correct. Number 3, the gram molecular mass of nitric acid is option A 60 gram, option B 100 gram, option C 63 gram and option D 98 gram. In my previous video, we have already discussed how to calculate the molar or molecular mass of any compound. So if we calculate the molecular or molar mass of nitric acid, we can see that 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atom of oxygen is present in nitric acid molecule. And when we calculate their molecular or molar mass, we can get 63 by calculating this way. So here option C is correct. Next, number 4, which of these molecule is not a compound? Option A N2O, option B N2, option C NO and option D is NO2. Here we can see that option B is correct, because N2 is not a compound, because N2 is made up of similar kind of atom, that is two atom of nitrogen. Next, which one of the following is equal to 2 moles of water? Option A, 1.084 multiplied 10 raised to power 25. Option B, 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to power 23. Option C is 1.204 multiplied 10 raised to power 24. And option D is 1.806 multiplied 10 raised to power 24. As we know that 1 mole of any substance or 1 mole of water contain Avogadro's number of molecule, and the value of Avogadro's number is 6.023 multiplied 10 raised to power 23. So 1 mole of water contain 6.023 multiplied 10 raised to power 23, and 2 mole of water, we simply multiply the number of mole of water with Avogadro's number. So we will multiply 2 with Avogadro's number, so we get 1.204 multiplied 10 raised to power 24 molecule. So here the option C is correct. Next, a compound contain different kind of atom mixed together. Option B, same kind of atom mixed together. Option C, different kind of atom chemically combined together. And option D, same kind of atom chemically combined together. And we know that a compound is that substance in which atoms are chemically bonded, and the different atom or different kind of atom chemically bonded in the compound. So the option C is correct. While in the same kind of atom chemically combined in molecule. So when the atoms are different, when the different kind of atoms chemically combine together, they form the compound, or they are called compound. Next, which one of the following is an example of triatomic molecule? So the triatomic molecule consists of 3 atoms. So here we have option A, CO2 carbon dioxide, B, O2 oxygen molecule, C, CH4 methane, and D, NH3 ammonia. And in this option we can see that carbon dioxide consists of 3 atoms. So option A is correct, because carbon dioxide consists of 3 atoms. Oxygen contain 2 atoms, and CH4 contain 5 atoms. Similarly, ammonia contain also 4 atoms. So the option A is correct. Next, number 8, hydrogen gas is option A, a monatomic gas. Option B, a mixture of hydrogen atom. Option C, a diatomic gas with each molecule consists of 2 atoms. Option D, a diatomic atom made up of 2 molecules. So here the option C is correct because hydrogen is a gas which is made up of two atoms of hydrogen. Two atoms of hydrogen. A diatomic gas consists of two atoms of hydrogen. So the option C is correct. Next question. Which one of the following compound has both empirical and molecular formula identical? Option A, benzene. Option B, hydrogen peroxide. Option C, water. And option D, glucose. If we see this table, the empirical formula is that formula which show the simplest whole number ratio of the atom present in a molecular formula. Here the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, and if we simplify it becomes CH. Similarly, if we simplify H2O2, it change into HO. This is the empirical formula. Similarly, the molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6, and it change into empirical formula as CH2O. And next, molecular formula of water H2O, and it cannot further simplified as it remain it is, that is H2O empirical formula of water, and H2O is the molecular formula of water. So the option C is correct because water is the molecule which have the same molecular as well as empirical formula. Next, question number 10. Which one is an homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture are those mixtures which have uniform composition throughout. So option A is smoke, option B is air, option C is fog, and option D is smoke. The correct answer is option B, sorry. The correct answer is option B, air, because air is the homogeneous mixture of different types of gases, that is nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas. So it is the homogeneous mixture of different gases. So the air is the homogeneous mixture. Smoke is the carbon particle present in the air. Fog is the tiny droplet of water, and smoke is the combination of fog and smoke. So in the last question, air, option B is correct, that is the air. That's for today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share so that we can grow each other. Thanks for listening.